Hello. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the new check-in feature that's part of the registration system on Oxford Abstracts. So in this video, we'll be having a look at how these check-in features appear to the admins for the event, and also the delegates, and also a new user group that we've created called check-in assistants. So the first thing to look at is what the attendee will see when they register. So this is the view of an attendee who's just purchased their tickets and they've been sent a confirmation email, and they also get to see, here we can see the QR code that will allow them to check in to the event. They also have the option to download their ticket, and that will also come with a QR code as well. So from the admin's point of view now, they will have the new check-in option here. So you'll see this tab, which gives a brief introduction to the feature. But essentially, what we can do here is we can go to the check-in view, and we can also add check-in assistants. So let's go to the preview of the check-in view. So here I can see every single attendee who has made a registration, and I can see if they've paid, what type of ticket they've got, and also any add-ons they might have. So as an admin or a check-in assistant, I have access to this view, and I can manually check people in when they come to the door. Maybe they show an ID and we can check them in this way. But the other alternative is to scan the ticket that somebody was sent. So this is a nice way to automatically scan the ticket. So when I click on that button, it's going to open up the camera on the device that's being used, whether that's a phone or a laptop or a tablet. So here I've got my ticket that was sent to me as part of the confirmation of buying the ticket. And if I zoom into the QR code, and I let the camera scan that. So from here, the check-in assistant can just verify some of the details and make notes if they want to, but essentially that person now is automatically checked in. So if I exit the camera view, we can see that that person was checked in here. If I go back onto the admin view, there's a few things to take note of as well. So as the admin, you may have some older registrations that were made before the QR code and check-in feature was released, and you may want to be giving the tickets and QR codes to people who've previously registered. In this case, you can select some or all of your registrations, and here you'll have the option to send the ticket email. So that will contain the ticket and the QR code to allow people to check in. It's also important to see as well that here we've got 3 new columns where you can see if people have been checked in, who they were checked in by, and at what time were they checked in. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and this has just been a brief overview of the new check-in feature. If you don't see it on your event, let us know and we can enable it for you. But essentially, this is all ready to go. Okay, thanks for watching.